Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you finally my recipe for the Levain bakery cookies from New York. I shared with you this recipe on my French YouTube channel and clearly people got mad because the video was not available in English. It's finally time for me to share it with you. This recipe is amazing and super easy to do since it's basically cookies. We're just gonna use simple methods to make sure that they look exactly and taste exactly the same as the ones from Levain bakery. So let's start with the recipe. It's amazingly simple. So let's get right into it. Alright, so if I tell you cookies, you must think creaming butter and sugar together to start, and this is what we're going to do. I'm just going to cream my room temperature butter with my two styles of sugar. I'm using some dark brown sugar here and some white sugar, and I'm just gonna mix that well with my spatula for a few seconds. From Levain bakery have walnuts. If you don't like them, you should use them still. It's really important for the overall flavor of the cookies and it's delicious, trust me on this. As you can see, I didn't use any vanilla extract in this recipe simply because the traditional recipe from Levain bakery doesn't have any vanilla extract in there. I don't know why. I would simply just put some in there as all of my recipes. As you know, since I'm a vanilla extract freak, but I'm not using it today. You can use it if you want as well. I mean, it's not that blasphematory, so it's fine. And then, as you can see, I'm shaping my cookies and I'm using just 2 large spoons. And I'm just going to create mountains of dough on my baking sheet. And I'm then going to let them rest for like 30 minutes in the fridge or an hour, just to set the butter and make sure that nothing will actually melt entirely. And we want to keep that shape intact. So I'm going to put that in the fridge and then we can bake the cookies. So now I'm going to bake my cookies in my preheated oven at 210 degrees Celsius for about 9 to 12 minutes until very golden on the sides and at the top. This is basically 410 Fahrenheit. It's a very hot oven, as you can see. It's also because we want to keep this shape intact. We don't want the cookies to melt. So we need like a hot oven to just bake them very fast and perfect. And then we can finally eat them. I would suggest eating them just out of the oven and still warm. But of course, you can keep them for like 2 or 3 days and they will be also fine since we really cook them the right way, which means that they will be super chewy inside and fresh, even like 2 days after. Alright, this recipe is done, and as you can see, I was very happy to share it with you. I'm so thrilled for you to recreate this recipe at home and share pictures with me on my social media. And please give this video a like and a comment if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, it really helps me a lot, especially on this new adventure in English. And if you want to hear me speak French, just go over to my French YouTube channel as well, William's Kitchen, where you can find a lot more recipes as well. And also you can of course find the list of ingredients in the description box down below this video, as well as my social media, so Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And I will see you very soon for another amazing recipe. Bye!